I'm Derek with Deep Rock Foundations, and today we're going to walk through what causes foundation problems. It all boils down to the clay soil that we live on and the way our houses are built. And that clay soil is going to expand and contract as water content in the soil changes. So that movement, the expansion and then the contraction, is what causes a foundation to fail. So weather patterns are a common thing that are going to affect your foundation, because if you have too much rain, you can get puddles that sit next to the house, causing an overswelling in certain areas. But the big one is a drought, because as soil dries out, it shrinks. As it shrinks, then your foundation begins to float in the air over time and then breaks and can drop. Oak trees in your front yard are one of the biggest issues. An oak tree can drink something like 100 to 150 gallons of water per day just coming out of your soil, and the soil begins to sink and your foundation isn't even touching the soil and then begins to settle. So if you're seeing things like cracks in your tile, any kind of crack in your sheetrock, or if you're seeing brick expansion joint open up, any kind of cracks in your brick, go check it out. If you're seeing any of those signs, it might be time to call a foundation specialist to come check out your foundation. Deep Rock Foundations has served thousands of customers in your area, and we take pride in our 5-star customer satisfaction rating. So call Deep Rock Foundations for any foundation problems.